Hello, Franklin families. It's Miss Farrar, the Library Media Specialist, and this week's Franklin Friday Read Aloud is Rolling Thunder. Our story is written by Kate Messner and illustrated by Greg Ruth. Rolling Thunder, Freedom Ride. Today we'll be at Grandpa's side. Early morning, leaving home, gleaming wheels and polished chrome. Grandpa rides for Joe and Tom, friends he lost in Vietnam. Clicking, clacking, railroad track. Our trip is for Uncle Zach. Flying airplanes far away. His picture rides with me today. Through my window, buildings, towns, meadows rich with greens and browns. Now our journey's almost done. Obelisk and setting sun. Pentagon and city lights. Finally, our camping sites. Grandpa's friends with arms of steel greet us and prepare a meal. Potomac River, dark and deep, whispered memories, friendship, sleep. Way too early, morning light blooms from pink to yellow bright. Lines of bikes are miles long, shining, 500,000 strong, rumbling, grumbling, engines roar, peace signs, high fives, spirits soar. Motors growling, roaring near, crowds that cry and wave and cheer, raising flags of white and black for those who never made it back. For soldiers lost in other days, POWs, MIAs, for soldiers serving still today, missing families far away, rolling, slowing to a crawl, stopping. There it is. The wall, polished marble, stark and bare. Touch a name and say a prayer. Leave a single flower, kneel, names in charcoal, cry and heal. Memories, speeches, quiet crowd, bugle song, and heads are bowed. Setting sun and rising moon, whispered wishes, come home soon. Bound by war, forever tied, one last look, it's time to ride. Rising smoke and glowing ember, ride for freedom, ride, remember. For this Memorial Day weekend, please remember those men and women who fought for our country and lost their lives or are prisoners of war or missing in action for this Memorial Day weekend. Thank you for your service.